Oh no, there's three.
No,
How come there's three?
I don't know.
Oh no, she's eyeing me.
That's huge. Pigeon?
No, it's way bigger than a pigeon.
Dodo was extinct.
No.
That's a huge bird. I've never seen that big of a bird at that tree before.
Where is it?
There.
Would that make bird sounds?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Look.
Oh, it hears me, dude.
There's still three.
Let's get it.
Oh, can I record?
Okay.
Murder. Okay, look. There's
Go,
like,
go.
I found a egg on the ground. It's a dead bird inside an egg. And with ants eating it, like.
Ooh, it's moving again. How are these ants moving it this much? Bruh. Probably a hot dog.
What?
That's the corner that people are peeing. That's a pee stain right there.
And if you think it's water, who would pour water right there?
That's true. Against the wall and down.
And plus, we didn't do it.
Nope, don't. That's true. We didn't do it. Guys, look. There's no chance of rain today, but the sky is all pitch black. See? Holy, is that a tornado? Guys, look.
So that grasshopper,
Look like he pooped everywhere.
all the grasshoppers is poop. Look. He shedded his skin. His old skin.
See that? That's his leg. That's his leg.
Look, right there. He's more bigger now.
Mhm.
Like before, he was like a small little baby one. Now he's like grown up. Look at all that.
Oh
Ew, ew.
Next.
And there's more on the wall.
Oh
And
god.
there's a lot on the top because he's always up.
Okay. I'm just curious. What's happening? Where is it?
Right there.
Where? It's 3 eggs. No change.